Hello people. Hi, this is Nilamari Sarvi here and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to upload a very easy recipe of chicken pulao which I learned from my very dear friend Deepti. Why I like this recipe? Because it has minimal ingredients. So I hope you like it too, and if you like, then do share, like and subscribe. And this video is completely dedicated to Deepti. So let's see. So for this recipe, I am going to cook the chicken beforehand. So I have almost taken half kg of chicken. I am giving you all the measurements in the description below, so do check that out. So I have added now 1 tablespoon of oil. I have added some jeera. Now just wait for it to splatter a bit. Once it's done, I'm adding a very pinch of haldi, and once done, now I'm going to add chicken to it. Once you add the chicken, give a nice mix and add about a pinch of salt. So let's start preparing for the pulao. So here I've taken 2 medium-sized onions, some coriander leaves, garlic and ginger, and about 7 green chilies. Green chilies completely depends on your taste. If you want it a little spicy, you can always add 1 or 2, but for me these are enough. Apart from chicken, the star of this dish is desiccated coconut. So I have taken about 1 bowl of desiccated coconut. Now let's keep the onions aside, and it's time to grind all these ingredients. So let's get started. Here I'm not taking the entire bunch. I'm just going to take half of the bunch because I am going to chop the coriander leaves and season them after the pulao is ready. Here now I've taken about 3 cups of basmati rice. Now I'm going to wash it. I'm going to soak it for a while. For this particular recipe, you're going to need khada masala as well. So here I've taken some bay leaves, some black peppercorns, cloves and elaichi. Again, the measurements can vary depending on your taste. I am doing it minimal because I have elderlies at home and they cannot digest the spicy food. So I'm keeping it very minimal. So the chicken is ready. It is a little half cooked. So that's okay with me because it's going to anyways get cooked in the rice as well. So for me, this cooking consistency is fine. So I'm all set. Unfortunately, I don't have a very big vessel, so I've taken this cooker pot to cook. I'm not going to add whistle to it. I'm just going to cook it with the lid on. So let's get started. I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of oil. Little bit. I'll add some jeera and let it splatter. I'll add garam masala and let it splatter. Once done, I'll add the onions and I'll cook them till they become translucent. The onions have turned nice brown. So now I'm going to add the coconut paste that we prepared. Once you add the paste, Cook it well. Ensure that the oil starts separating. That's a sign that your paste is properly cooked. This is nicely cooked. So now let's add chicken and rice to it. I'm not going to add the entire one. I'm just going to add half chicken because I'm going to make some curry as well. So I'll just add half chicken in. Now let's add some rice. Once you add the rice, give it a nice mix. Let all the masala, everything sink in. It's already smelling so good. Now add some water to it. I have added about 2 glasses of water. Add salt as per the taste. You can cook it with the pressure cooker as well, but I am using a lid. I don't want the pressure cooker. Now turn off the gas and let it steam for a while. Wow. Ta-da! The pulao is ready. It tastes really awesome. It's too good. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you give it a try, don't forget to share your experience in the comments below, and don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. Keep showering your love. Till then, bye bye.